You're watching Grits on Grits. Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel again today in our budget-friendly knife series. Today I got a little different one. This one is a Robert Klaas medium Stockman, model number KC2329. You can see that there. Maybe not. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, let's see what's in the box. So, it's a nice black medium Stockman. This is a 3-blade slip joint. Got nickel silver bolsters and pins. They look kind of brass, but I think those are nickel silver. Now the liners are definitely brass. Got black Delrin handles. Got the little Klaas shield there in the middle. Fit and finish is not bad. Not bad at all. Looks good. Looks good. Let's take a look at the blades. So you got 440A stainless steel blades with satin finish. Pretty nice. Nice looking. So, nice snap closed. Got a spay point. Got a sheep's foot there. And then the main blade is a clip point blade. The clip point blade is 2.5 inches, and let's see, the spay point is 1 3/4 inches, and then the sheep's foot I think is just over 1.5 inches. So nice looking little knife, classic medium Stockman. Not bad. Overall open length is 7 3/4 inches. So you got 7 3/4 inches for the open length, and then closed length is 3.5 inches. So again, not a bad looking knife. Classic color, black Delrin. It's not a bad weight knife, 2.5 ounces or so, not too bad. Budget friendly. Smoky Mountain Knife Works has this for $15.99. So get up there a little bit closer for you. And then on Amazon, this knife is $22.95. So obviously with Amazon, if you're a Prime member, you're going to get that free shipping. But a little bit cheaper on Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Not a bad looking knife. It's a classic design, classic shape. 3.5 inches close. Pretty handy. And I don't carry a knife like this too often. I'm more of a bigger knife. I want a little bit bigger of a knife. But this is a nice, if you're looking for something nice and sleek, you don't want to carry something heavy in your pocket, this is the way to go. Nice little knife. Nice price. Thanks for watching the video. This is another one in the budget-friendly knife series. We're going to keep them going. As long as I can keep getting some nice-looking budget-friendly knives, we're going to keep making the videos. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to build up the audience a little bit here. And the more audience we get, we're going to keep rolling with these knife videos. If you like some different kinds of videos, we do all kinds of stuff on this channel. And if you want to check out some vintage items, you can always check out one of my Etsy stores. The links will be in the description below. Or you can check out my Amazon store. I have a lot of the knives I do videos on linked in the Amazon store. So again, I really appreciate everybody stopping by the channel, taking time to watch the video, and we'll see you on the next one.